Hey, my name is Annie, and my company is Swifts, and it's an all-organic, raw food, vegan. It hits the niche market, customized meals, and I do catering. So right here I have samples of buckwheat rolled cereal. This is the chocolate, and this is cinnamon, and as well as a macaron, which is chocolate. Everything's all organic. Everything that I make with my food is all organic, and so I have a menu as well as I do some catering. I customize meals for people. So if they have any sensitivities, as wheat-free, gluten-free, diabetes, I can serve your purposes for your dietary needs.
Thank you. All right, this is Leslie Love, and she is the chef of the Comfort Spot, which is...
She's putting me on the spot. I'm excited to be here.
What do we have today?
Today we have whole wheat pasta with a homemade tomato sauce. And we have squash and zucchini mix. And then we have brown rice. And we have a curried potatoes and peas dish. And we have fennel bread. And on this table we have a kale raku salad.
So good.
As we open it here. And we have fresh garden salad. And here we have fresh fruit. Dessert. And we have sweet potato pie.
Wow. How long have you been catering?
I have been catering officially on and off for about 5 years now.
Okay.
5 years now. And this is one of my very first vegan raw food catering events. I'm excited.
Oh, thank you for coming.
I'm glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
Cannot be. Yeah, women, your wisdom is in dreams. Woo yeah, woo yeah, ooh, ooh, hey yeah, hey, Our wisdom cannot be lost, and our spirits cannot be broken. Our wisdom cannot be lost, whoa, and our spirits cannot be broken. Awaken to your power. Awaken to your power. Awaken to your power. Awaken to your power. Women, I'm calling to you. Women whose wisdom is in dreams. Where do I go to find Images of woman made. Where do I go to find images of woman made? Yeah, all of humanity is woman born. Women, your wisdom is in dreams. Our wisdom cannot be lost. Our spirits cannot be broken. Our wisdom cannot be lost, and our spirits cannot be broken. Our wisdom cannot be lost. Our spirits cannot be broken. Our wisdom cannot be lost, and our spirits cannot be broken. Women, I'm calling you, women. I'm calling you, calling women. I'm calling to you, calling out to you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Awaken to your power. Awaken to your power. Awaken to your power. Awaken to your power. Wisdom cannot be lost, and our spirits cannot be. Yeah, women, your wisdom is in